Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make epic purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a head-to-head battle between the Sovol SV06 and the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. Who's gonna win? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the thing that hurts the most: your wallet. The Sovol SV06 comes in at a modest $249. It's like the budget-friendly friend who always brings snacks to the party. Meanwhile, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is a whopping $479. That's like the friend who insists on splitting the bill evenly when they ordered the lobster. Reviewers appreciate the Sovol SV06 for being a great value for the price, while the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is seen as a more premium option. Now, speed demons, listen up. The Sovol SV06 boasts a firmware upgradable print speed from 50 mm per second to 150 mm per second. Not bad, right? It's like upgrading your old bicycle to a slightly better bicycle. On the other hand, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M can zoom up to 600 mm per second. That's like strapping a rocket to your bike and hoping for the best. Talk about fast and furious. Users of the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M appreciate its speed and accuracy, while Sovol SV06 users commend its reliability for the price. Quality matters, and Sovol SV06 brings its A-game with a classic i3 structure and a planetary dual-gear direct drive. It's like the reliable old car that just won't quit. But wait, FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M isn't playing around either. With its core XY structure and dual-fan nozzles, it's like driving a Tesla: fancy, efficient, and a bit show-offy. Reviewers love the build quality of the Sovol SV06 for its robustness, while the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is praised for its advanced structural design. Temperature control is key, and Sovol SV06 can handle up to 300 degrees Celsius. Perfect for those who like their prints hot and spicy. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, however, maxes out at 280 degrees Celsius. It's more like a mild salsa. Still tasty, but won't burn your tongue off. Users of Sovol SV06 appreciate its higher temperature range for more versatile printing, while FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M users find its temperature control adequate for most tasks. Sovol SV06 is all about that 25-point auto-leveling. It's like having a personal butler who makes sure everything is just right. Meanwhile, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M offers one-click automatic printing. Imagine a printer so smart, it practically writes your thesis for you. And with a mobile app for remote monitoring, you can be lazy and productive. Win-win! Reviewers love the auto-leveling feature of Sovol SV06 for its ease of use, while FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is praised for its smart features and user-friendly interface. The Sovol SV06 features a flexible PEI-coated build plate, making it super easy to remove prints. It's like peeling a sticker off a new gadget, satisfying and effortless. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M gives you a dual-sided PEI platform. It's like having a reversible jacket. Stylish and practical. Users of Sovol SV06 appreciate the ease of removing prints, while FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M users like the versatility of the dual-sided build plate. Lastly, customer support. Sovol offers a 1-year warranty and lifetime tech support. They're like that friend who's always there to bail you out of trouble. FLASHFORGE goes a step further with a 1-month free return, 1-year warranty, and a 12-hour response time. They're like the friend who's already at your door with snacks before you even realize you're hungry. Reviewers have mixed feelings about Sovol's customer support, but appreciate the lifetime tech support, while FLASHFORGE is praised for its quick and effective customer service. Summarizing the reviews, the Sovol SV06 is praised for its affordability, reliability, and ease of use, though some users have had issues with customer support. On the other hand, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is commended for its speed, advanced features, and responsive customer service, but comes at a higher price point. So who's the winner? It really depends on your needs. The Sovol SV06 is the budget-friendly, reliable workhorse, while the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is the high-speed, smart tech marvel. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest comparisons. Until next time, keep shopping smart. Product links are in the description.